Hello everyone, my name is Amit Sarma. So today I am here with a very unique content regarding how you can increase traffic to your website, how you can generate more number of traffic to your websites. As we know that there are billions of websites available in various search engines these days, whether it be Google search engine, whether it be Bing search engines. So it's very challenging for all the websites to get themselves ranked on the top of the various search engines. In order to overcome all these challenges, today I have come up with a very unique ideas about how you can generate traffic to your websites. I have come with 8 different ideas, 8 different most important ideas that you must do or you must know about how to increase website traffic to your site so that you can rank your website on the Google. So let's start with point number 1. Point number 1 to generate the traffic to your website is organic website traffic. So what is organic website traffic? The organic website traffic basically means pulling the traffic to your website through search engine optimization. So what is search engine optimization? What do we do in that search engine optimization? So what we do there is we perform 2 different activities. What is that? That is on page and off page. So what is on page? In on page is the major part of, I wouldn't say it's a major part, but I would say it's a first step that you should know about search engine optimization, SEO. So what you do there, you create a quality content, you create a quality image, you perform you create a proper title description which comes under the platform of on page. So the other thing that we perform is off page. What do we do in off page? Off page is all about generating the backlinks. There are a lot of techniques about off page, guys. I will be explaining detail about off page in the next video. The second way of generating the traffic to your website is social media referral traffic. So what is social media referral traffic? It's nothing but generating the traffic to your website through different platform of social media. So guys, we know there are various social media available in the market today with different functionality. So like LinkedIn be a business app where we can share a lot of articles in that, and Pinterest being an image sharing app, video sharing app. You can share a lot of video contents in Facebook, Instagram, through which we can generate the traffic to our websites. So but how you can do that? You have to create some quality video content in Facebook, Instagram, where you can engage your users. So through which if there is a lot of interesting contents available in different social media platform, the traffic will be generated through those social media platform to your websites. Point number 3 to increase traffic to your website is website referral traffic. Earlier we talked about social media referral traffic, where we generate a lot of traffic to our website through social media. So this is nothing but generating the traffic through various blogs or websites. So let me explain with an example. Let's say if I have a nutritional supplement stores where I sell a lot of supplements regarding fitness, health, etc, etc. So if a website or a blog who talks about fitness refer my website or share my link in their website, through that particular website I get linked to my websites. So that is how you generate the traffic to your website through other websites. So that is called website referral traffic. The fourth way of increasing the traffic to your website is social bookmarking. So what is social bookmarking? Social bookmarking is a platform where you bookmark all your articles, your written articles, written websites in those platforms. There are a lot of bookmarking platforms like Tumblr, StumbleUpon, Pinterest, Reddit. These are all the platforms where you bookmark your website links. There are a lot of people coming to these bookmarking sites through our shared link. People can directly jump to our websites through the link that we shared in such bookmarking sites. So make sure you are always sharing all your blogs, articles in such bookmarking platforms. Point number 5. So point number 5 to increase the traffic to your websites is business directories. So what are business directories? Business directories are nothing but the list of local businesses available in the local area. So if normally people look for any local business or local service in Google, there is a high chance of this business directory sites getting listed in the Google search engine. So your presence in this such business directories are very important. If we talk about India, we know the famous business directories like Just Dial, where people normally look where people look a lot of reviews there, and then they refer to such businesses. In foreign there are famous pages like Yelp, Yellow Pages. So these are the very famous platform for business directories. So make sure that you have your proper listing in this business directory sites, so that people can refer to your sites, through which the traffic will automatically get generated to your site. Sixth way of increasing the traffic to your websites are forum submissions. So what are forum submissions? Forum submission are the platform where a lot of discussions are happening, where people ask a lot of queries, a lot of doubts, a lot of questions. So if they have any doubts, they ask those doubts in this platform. So make sure you are involved in such discussions. Make sure you answer those doubts. Make sure you clarify those doubts and get involved. So through which you can share a link to such in such doubts, through which the traffic will get generated to your websites. So make sure you are always involved in the such forum submission. So some of the famous submissions are like Quora.com. Quora.com is one of the very huge platform where a lot of doubts have been are been like asked by certain people in. So make sure you are involved in relevant discussions relevant to your business, so it's going to be easy for that niche people of segment to get into your website. Seventh way of generating the traffic to your websites are paid ad campaigns. So what are paid ad campaigns? Paid ad campaigns are nothing but campaigns where you pay for your advertisements. So you can run paid ad campaigns in Google AdWords, you can run paid ad campaigns in various platforms of social media, Facebook ad campaigns. You see all the sponsor videos in the Facebook. Those are nothing but paid ad campaigns. So if you are an initial business, if you have a little bit of budget, so you can run this kind of paid ad campaigns in order to generate the traffic. Eighth way of generating the traffic to your websites are direct traffic. So what are direct traffic? Direct traffic are nothing but when people are directly typing your websites on the browser and coming to your websites. So for this, you have to be a famous brand. There should be a certain brand awareness, like companies like Amazon, Flipkart, this kind of famous business. People type their URL directly to the browser and come to their sites. So this is the simple understanding of direct traffic. So I hope this video was a little bit helpful for you guys in order to understand how to increase the traffic to your websites. So if you go through all those techniques, if you understand those techniques that I've explained in this video, I'm sure you can generate some, you'll have some ideas about how you can pull the traffic. So guys, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this this video, please mention in the comment below. I will be responding to you guys. So if you want me to make any other videos, you can even mention in the comment. So guys, have a nice day. Thank you. See you again.